Believe it or not, there are so many ways to pay. And yes, it can get quite confusing. There are bank apps like OCBC PayAnyone, DBS PayLah, UOB Mighty, where you can make payment directly from your bank accounts. There are also hardware makers like Google, Samsung, Apple, Garmin, Fitbit, Huawei that have their very own apps to make it easier to pay directly from their devices. Those were covered in the previous episode, so you can go check that out. But for this one, we will be checking out more apps that could benefit your lifestyle. When you're making payments at any retailers, chances are you will see one of these logos. Most are e-wallet apps, which you will need to top up with funds beforehand. WeChat is the most popular super app in China, and they're progressively introducing themselves to the rest of the world. Recently, they have allowed non-Chinese bank cards to be incorporated into their app. We've tried doing so with a Visa card, and it worked. We have yet to actually make a payment through the app, but we are pretty confident it will work. Unfortunately, the fund transfer app is still a work in progress, and the setup can be a challenge to non-Chinese speakers as the app's native language is in Chinese and the English translation can be rather difficult to understand. Overall, this would be a useful app and probably the only payment app you will need if you visit China. Another such Chinese app is Alipay by Alibaba. Similarly, you can now link your Visa card to make cashless payments. However, the lack of clear English instructions can make it quite a daunting experience. Nets FlashPay is a local service that only works with a physical Nets contactless cash card. The app itself only serves as a top-up platform, but its sister app, NetsPay, can be used to make payments or transfer funds via a mobile phone. Okay, listen to me. Nets FlashPay, not NetsPay. NetsPay, not Nets FlashPay. Another local payment app is the EZlink app. Like any e-wallet app, you will need to top up with funds before use. You can do so by linking any of your credit cards and scanning any SG QR code to pay or use it for your daily commute on public transport. They are also working with Alipay Connect to make their service available in other countries. This means that you will be able to have a QR code generated from your end and have the retailer simply scan it and receive payment from you. In the description, it seems like the service is only available in Japan for now. You can also use the EZlink service with their hardware or the hardware they've partnered with. These come in the form of their cards, their partnered cards, fitness trackers, wearables, and even charms. You can easily top up funds in all these hardware using the EZlink app. Unfortunately, their website states that most of their charms and wearables are all sold out for the time being. The Grab app is a common one for many, and it's close to being a one-stop shop with many services built into it. Today, we will just focus on their payment service. To use it, you will need to link your credit card and top up funds into your GrabPay wallet. You can also either transfer your funds to another GrabPay user or make a payment through Grab's own QR code or an SG QR code. Payment through the Grab app also allows you to accumulate points and you can use them to redeem rewards. You can also subscribe to a GrabPay MasterCard and use it to make payments. Furthermore, if you are a Samsung Pay user, you can add your GrabPay MasterCard to the platform and earn points and get rewards from both. Now that's a pro tip. For Singtel Dash, you can either pay by scanning a QR code that will deduct the payment from your e-wallet first, or you can pay directly using your linked Visa card. Like most of the local payment apps, you can get discounts and deals by using the app to make your payments. Hey, here's another tip for you. If you're into deals and discounts, check out Fave because they have tons of deals, discounts, and they even offer cashback for your purchases. Link them up to other e-payment services like Grab, and you may even earn double the rewards. How's that for a deal? If you are an avid traveler, you can apply for some of these travel cards that provide competitive currency exchange rates. Unlike most banks, they either charge very low or no extra fees. Utrip and TransferWise provide very similar services. You can apply for a MasterCard with them and use their competitive exchange rate to convert your currency and store it in your e-wallet for overseas use. You can't make payments using their mobile app, but you can use it to top up your e-wallet or to transfer funds to recipients from different countries. There are so many options for e-payment, but I sure do hope that these videos have helped you find one that's suitable for your needs. If you have any more comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments section. In the meantime, stay safe and happy shopping. Oh, and don't forget to stay home.